Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss about that Facebook page and Instagram post related. So everyone is using for Facebook page and Instagram. So how we can posting for Instagram to Facebook page, Instagram to Facebook page. So how it is working for anything posting on Instagram, how we can showing for Facebook page also. Before that, first of all we log in for Facebook page and Instagram, same browser. After that, we have option will be called settings. In this option for Instagram, this will be linking for Instagram in a particular Facebook page. After that, we have to future is called Facebook Creator Studio, facebook.com/Creator Studio. In this, selecting for Instagram here. In the Instagram, we have the option will be called Instagram account. Add Instagram account will be here. When it is adding for this Instagram account, easily posting for Instagram to Facebook page. And one more very important thing, if you are posting for anything onto the here, the compulsory login will be required. Already done here in this option. So what are the you have to post on the everything Instagram to Facebook? The option is called Creator Studios. Which one? Creator Studios. Both will be login for same browser in your Facebook page, link with Instagram by using Facebook page settings. And remember, guys, you already one Instagram connecting one Facebook page. Same Instagram will did not connecting for another Facebook page. One Facebook page will connecting for one Instagram account. So this instruction we can follow to post content Instagram to Facebook option. So that is the reason. What are the content you can sharing for Instagram to Facebook page? Only one Facebook page will be allowed. Don't allow for multiple Facebook page with using for Instagram. Here, after connecting for every Instagram account on Facebook Creator Studio, here create post option will be here in this Instagram feed or IGTV. Instagram feed they accepting for only for 60-second video, but IGTV supporting for 1 minute up to 60 minutes video. 1 minute up to 60 minutes video. So now will be only for less than minute. That mean by 60 seconds. That call 59 seconds. Now post it here. What other will be here? Select here option. Select your image. Where image exactly? You can go to the image option. So here, post it. Copy this one. Add your content and click for publish. A time will be posting for Instagram and Facebook page. How to check? After posting, we have to refresh on your account. It is done. Next will be it is done by 9 hours back. Now you can go for refresh it. Here just now. Here is the option. So what is different by Facebook, Instagram? In a Facebook, the links all will be work along with the hashtags. But coming to the Instagram, they want working for links. They only working for post option. So in this here, so in this particular option will be here. I'm open for account. See here, links is not working. Only we working for hashtags. So this is a small difference for the things. And here we can using option will be here. Just select the create post. Once again repeat Instagram feed, select your Instagram account, select here, file upload post. So what are the things here? Select here. After image uploading, you have to enable by Facebook page option. Clicking this option will be here. Don't forget the related thing like channel subscribe and hashtags and click for going for publish. Again, we'll be posting for where? Instagram page, and your particular option call is Facebook also. Now it's done. Just few seconds back. After that, will we go for refresh it. So yeah, just now. So these are the functional you have to follow this and the particular to share the Instagram post on the Facebook option. So use it and increase your post followers and page likes and getting for leads to Instagram and Facebook business page. If any further doubts, any connectivity, please contact for Digital Rakesh channel. Will definitely will be support to getting for more views and particular post reach and subscriber purpose.